Ooh, it's cold in here. Hello and welcome. So long story short, I got scammed. And this time, this one just hit different because I really trusted this popular influencer, but unfortunately now I've come to a realization that most of these extravagant surprise unboxings that claim to be lost Amazon packages or unclaimed packages from this said company or this or that are most likely allegedly packaged up by their PR team and handed to them to open up on camera for the views, of course. Shocker, I know. Maybe some of you are like, duh. But for me, I really believed it. I watched one of these videos by a very famous YouTuber, and she was unboxing these really cool unclaimed Amazon packages that she bought off of said website. She linked that said website. So I went in her description box, went on that website and wanted to order one of these unclaimed packages as well, so I can use it for views. There was only 2 packages left for me to claim and then purchase. One of them was around $50. They said that there was only 3 items in that package. However, there was this other package that said was $150. There claimed to be 7 items in that package, and it is a package tailored to gadgets and electronics. It got me kind of excited. I was like, ooh, this one seems interesting, considering when I looked down at the reviews on that package, every single review was super positive, and on top of that, they provided photos of what they received in their amazing gadget electronic box, which all of these photos had really cool, high-end, well-known gadgets and electronics. I claimed and purchased it right away. The first red flag was the fact that I did not receive a confirmation number or email or anything like that for about a week or 2. But then I didn't receive a tracking number for like 3 weeks afterwards. And when I looked at that tracking number, it said it was coming from China. It said it was going to take another couple of weeks. I was a little confused because I thought this was coming from somewhere here in the United States. That wasn't the case. Third red flag is when I actually received the package today. My husband just brought it to me and I was like, what could this be? This is such a tiny package. My first initial reaction is to tear into the package, as you can see, and see what could be in here. I don't remember really ordering anything this small. Come to find out, like, there's all these little individual things wrapped in here. So I'm like, there's no way that this is it. But there is, because this is it. I know, I think I had a little bit too high expectations. I think I trusted certain sources a little too much. I need a drink before we open this. So this is what it looks like inside. Let's open this up. I love how they individually wrapped it. We have this true wireless headphones. They are no particular brand. Here's what they look like up close. If I was to guess how much this costs, I would say anywhere from $4 to $10 if you're buying it off of one of these China brands like AliExpress, Wish, or Temu. The packaging on this looks different. I mean, it's got a mirror, so I've never seen that before. But anyways, this is what it looks like up close. All right. Just like a plastic box. Very cheaply made. Comes with a charger, so put it back in the box. Next, we have this lovely item. It is a mini massager that I have seen time and time again advertised on websites like Temu or Wish. Wow. You apparently attach this little device onto that. You apply it onto your body to massage it. I don't really know. It's odd. Next, we have a bracelet. I'm not quite sure, you know, how this is gadget friendly or whatever. Oh, okay. I stand corrected. This is actually like a charger. It is the iPhone charger. However, I'm not really sure like where where did this go? I do like the idea, I'm not gonna lie. And then we have the Cobb rechargeable keychain light. Again, this is no particular brand. Bro. Ooh, let me turn that off real quick. A bright light for a keychain, I don't really know. What else could I say? It comes with a charger. Let's move on. This is a quick charge. Charge mobile phone more freely. Wireless fast charger. A replica of the iPhone charger that you basically set your phone on and it charges at night. But again, it's no particular brand. It's something you can easily get for a couple of dollars off of any of these websites. You know the ones. We have this. Okay. It is a flash drive, high speed, 16 gigabytes. I'm not even gonna bother opening this because you can see it, right? Very generic flash drive. No particular brand. In fact, all of these literally look like they come from the same supplier. Like they're all made with similar packaging. What? Okay. Next we have a data cable set. What is that, you may ask? I don't know. Do you know? Here's what it looks like. It has a little stand and you can place it. Honestly, I have no idea what this is. If you guys know, like, cool. Oh, okay, it opens up. Never mind. Let's open it up. Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside. Back in the box. We got a few more things. This is a multi-functional cleaning brush. Here's what it looks like. I mean, you can clean your laptop? I don't know. It has this. Couldn't tell you what that's for. And then this. Couldn't tell you what that's for either. And this. This is like a soft cleaning stick. Lastly, it has a little spray. I'm assuming there's water in there. I'm not even gonna try to spray it out because who knows what's in there. Yep. Back in the box. This is the last package. As you can see, we are done. Ooh. A pink game box plus. So it's not a regular game box, it's a plus. Wow, that's crazy, dude. Oh, it's actually black. I thought it was pink. Ooh, it turns on. I'm gonna cover the speakers because it's a little too loud and we don't want to get copyright strike this song, right? Does anyone know what this says? Because I just can't read it. Okay, that's enough. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the last item. This video is all fun and games, but in all seriousness, I guess this is more of a cautionary tale. Although I got scammed, this was a waste of money. I got this package for filming purposes, but I can see how anyone can get easily influenced and want to try things like this out only to be scammed. Don't do it. But yeah, I really don't know what to do with any of these. I was initially just gonna throw them away. So if you think you found something useful in these items that I just shared, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'll put everything nicely back into the box and send it off to one of you. Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.